We're back with Youva Originals. Today, we are diving into doughfish adventures. Here's what you will need. Start by folding your dough into the shape of a fish. Cut lines into the dough to make scales. Mold more dough to form fins and eyes for your fish. Use dough to make pebbles, bubbles, shells, and water plants. Paint your paper plate with pastel colors to create an underwater scene. Paste the pebbles, water plants, shells, fishes, and bubbles onto the plate. Then let it dry. Your doughfish art is ready. See you next Saturday for another Youva Originals tutorial.